We are not doing at gmail.com. We are not doing at Yahoo. We are not doing at AOL. No, cut it. At yourbusinessname.com.
Peace and love. I wish you peace and love.
What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Kayla, and this is the Soul Trip. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you decide to stay and be a part of my Soul Tribe. So let's get into it. As the title shows, today we are talking about 8 tips for you to do. Like, this is a must. Do not try to not do these things. 8 things you should do before you launch your online boutique or any business for that matter. So I have my notes here, and really quickly, guys, I have to do a shameless plug. The outfit that I am wearing is from luxsoulshop.com. That's my online store. Go check it out. Anyways, let's get right into it. So number 1, bing bada bam. This isn't obvious, but this is something that a lot of people don't do. Register your business. Take your business serious. Register it. You can register your business as an LLC. That's what I do. I am not well versed in all the different ways to register your business. That would be for someone else, or an expert, or a lawyer if you do decide that you need to seek legal help. But I register my businesses as LLCs. I do have a nonprofit that is a 501c3. Again, do your research. But you will register your business with your state, and that's done with the Secretary of State website of your state, obviously. And also, I want to note that you don't personally have to live in that state to register a business there. You will just need an address there if you're planning to register your business there. So for instance, I live in Tennessee, but I have businesses registered in Mississippi, and I decided to register my businesses in Mississippi because it was far less expensive, and it just made sense for me from a business standpoint. In the state of Tennessee, it is $200 to register your business, and you do have to pay that annually. In Mississippi, it's only $50, and there are no annual fees for your business. Before you register your business, you also will want to do a business name search with your Secretary of State office. So Google how to do that, because Google will be your best friend throughout this whole process, you guys. So on top of that, what you will also need to do, and this is done with the IRS, so irs.gov, you will need to create a federal EIN or a federal tax ID. They're both the same thing, but you will need to do that. Essentially, that is like the social security number for your business. Depending on what type of business you have, you may also want to do a Duns and Bradstreet number. That is like the credit bureau for your business. Again, do your research and figure out what you may need for your business. Another thing, if you have an e-commerce site like myself, an online boutique, you will need a seller's permit or a sales permit. They are the same thing, but again, you will just Google your state name, seller's permit. There will be steps on how to attain that, and depending on what state you're in too, there may be fees associated with that. In the state of Mississippi, there are no fees for a seller's permit. So all the boring stuff is out the way. Just kidding, it's not boring, but it's here to protect you, and it's here to protect your business. Make sure you do it the right way. Get help if you need it. But anyways, moving on, the next thing you will want to do is brand your business. I'm talking, do you want to become a household name? Do you want to be Kleenex? Do you want to be Nike? Do you want to be Google? Brand your business. Like, they all started somewhere, and they didn't start by just throwing out a business out the thin air and not having a logo or having something that people can recognize. Brand your business. I have a video here on this channel. I'll link it below, and I'll put it up here. It is how to design a logo for your business for free. Yes, you don't have to go out and spend a bunch of money on marketing materials or a logo for your business. You can literally create these things for free. I do so myself using canva.com, but it's important to have a logo. It's important to have a theme, have a color. Like, brand your business. If you do not want to create this yourself, you can utilize sites like fiverr.com or upwork.com to find very inexpensive help. Like, you literally could get something created for as low as $5. Me personally, I haven't had good experience from that. The stuff always came back a little But again, it depends on what type of business you have and what you're trying to do. You really could find really inexpensive help. But anyways, moving on, our next step, number 3, purchase a domain and a business email. Yes, we are in 2021. We are not doing at gmail.com. We are not doing at Yahoo. We are not doing at AOL. No, cut it. At yourbusinessname.com. Purchase a domain. There are plenty of ways that you can purchase domains. I utilize GoDaddy.com. I always have, and that's what I like. But again, you could just Google domains or how to purchase a domain and you can find information for yourself. Again, I use GoDaddy. When it comes to the business email, I believe with GoDaddy is an extra, I don't want to say the wrong price, but I know it's like less than $20 for the year to add that on for your business email. If you don't have an extra $20 to spend for your business email, to be honest with you, you probably shouldn't even be in business right now. Like, you know, spend that. It takes money to make money, and it just looks so professional to have a business email associated with your business. So some of the words that you can use for your business email are hello@yourbusinessname.com, contact@yourbusinessname.com, info@yourbusinessname.com, or you can use your name at yourbusinessname.com. But you get the point. Get your domain and get your business email attached with that. Moving on top of purchasing your domain and all of that, have a website. This goes right into hand in hand with that. Have a website or a landing page. Obviously, if this is before you're launching your business, you may be still working on your website. In that time, have a landing page. Have a landing page where people can sign up, people can get like a teaser, or people can, you know, just leave their information so you can start to collect data, or you can even like survey. So have a landing page, have a site where people can go to learn more about the company that you are about to launch. So that's self-explanatory. If you're not familiar or if you're very new to this, once you have your website or landing page, that domain that you purchased, you will be able to easily connect that domain to that website, if that makes sense. So depending on what type of platform you use for your website, I use Shopify. I also have used ucraft.com. I have sites on ucraft in Shopify. They will walk you through the steps of connecting your domain. So it'll be really easy, simple, easy. Number six would be to promote your business pre-launch campaign, pre-launch strategy, whatever you want to call it, but you want to start promoting your business. You don't want to just pop out the blue, hey guys, it's me, go shop, or whatever. Like, what? Who are you? What are you doing? I'm a hater. I really follow you for no reason, but I don't support anything you do. Like, there's just a ton of people who are going to be like, what is this? What is this? Like, you're not going to get that much traction if you just hop up out the blue. Like, really take the time to promote yourself. I recommend maybe like a month before you're planning to launch to start promoting, doing a pre-launch campaign. And if you want a video of me going into details of how to do a pre-launch campaign, comment below, let me know, because I would love to do that. I feel like my pre-launch went really great. I had so much fun doing it. It was so exciting. People were really amped up. But again, you really want to do that. You want to start promoting. You want to build some hype. You want to have people ready. You want to have people like waiting. Like, okay, as soon as this day comes, I have my calendar set. I'm about to go shop, or I'm about to go whatever your business is. I'm about to buy this service. I'm so ready. You want people to be hyped like that. Moving on to number 7. This is something that can be optional, but it's something that I highly recommend. Create a business bank account. Keep your eggs in separate baskets. Do not start to mix and mingle. Don't have your personal expenses and income mixed in with your business expenses and income. If you have multiple businesses, don't mix those businesses together. Keep everything separate. So with business bank accounts, I recommend going with the credit union. I have a Navy Federal business bank account and I love that one. I love it. I will promote that to the end of me because they're just so easygoing. There aren't any fees. all of that. I also have a Bank of America business bank account, 0 out of 10. I do not recommend. And then I also have a First Horizon bank account. They're cool. If you are from like the Tennessee area, you've heard of First Tennessee. They are now First Horizon. They're cool. They're cool. There is a small fee associated with that account monthly, but it's fine, you know, it's fine. Anyway, so create your business bank account. Another thing with credit unions, they are really great at providing business credit cards, business credit loans. So if it does come time for you, or when it comes time, if or when, you can utilize that extra credit or that extra help from your credit union. And lastly, but certainly not least, number 8, and this is going to sound so cliche, but y'all, we have to mention it because it's important. Develop a winning business mindset. Like, you really need to do that before you start a business, because things are not always easy. It's not easy. Like, the journey, people don't realize how difficult the journey can be and how you can fall off that journey if you're not just in that winning mindset, if you're not resilient, if you're not just, you know, hungry for what you're going after. Like, you really can fall off. You can lose the momentum. Like, you really have to develop your mindset. You have to, you know, be able to like silence the noise, go all in. Like, you need to have that winning mindset and just to be determined to win no matter what, because there's going to be a lot of problem solving. There's going to just be a lot of things that can come up. There's going to be days where you just don't feel like putting in work, but you have to. Like, you literally have to. So develop that winning mindset before you start anything. And I want to leave you all with something that I heard not too long ago, and it's just been sticking with me. The only way to truly fail, there are 2 ways. If you never start, and if you quit too soon. Those are the only 2 ways that you will ever fail. Because if you never quit, you're going to accomplish what you set out to accomplish. And if you never get started, you never gave yourself a chance to even accomplish that. So I want to leave you all with that, and that can apply to anything. That can apply to your fitness goals, your health goals, relationship goals, whatever. That can apply to life in general. Get started and never quit. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, leave me a comment below. Let me know. Also give this video a thumbs up. That really helps the channel when you all like my videos. Thank you so much. Share this with someone who may need it too. And as always, peace and love. Stay tuned for the next. Don't forget to subscribe.